This is the elevator at some building that I'll have to get in the title at Duke University in Durham, North Carolina. So originally something that's modernized with Otis Series 2 in 2000 sometimes. That's a weird looking vent there. Also weird was the lantern. It's 3. Definitely interesting configuration, small size. There you go up. This is Duke building number 9. Is that really the only building? Oh, it's traction. Expecting it to be hydro, but no obstruction. Probably maybe bottom drive, I don't know. Now the motor's getting louder. Back down to 0. Interesting name. Floor. 88 phone. Fire vibration. Fairly nice and basic cab. Interesting place for lantern. It runs like a vintage elevator, but unfortunately it's not anymore. Interesting angle there. It's Otis Series 2 here back at 0. Certificate. This was installed in 1975. Duke signature exit sign.